Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be headed to the evil PJ and the Mask Dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the evil PJ and the Mask Dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, it doesn't turn me evil. No, that could never happen. That could never happen. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 lapis. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that. Right there, guys. Then you're going to need 4 blocks of redstone. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your lapis. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on up. Grab your lapis and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 block of redstone right on top. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down, son of a chicken. There's no chickens? All right, there's a chicken. Son of a chicken. That hurt, guys. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 lapis on this side. And then 5 lapis smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 block of redstone on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now it's time to go ahead and light this baby up with a flint and steel. So let's go ahead and do this thing, guys. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing, guys. But now it's time to head into the evil PJ and the Mask Dimension. This is going to be so terrifying and amazing. Oh my God, guys. I did not think this dimension was going to be this scary. Wow, guys, this is crazy. And oh my God, did they really lock me out? Are you kidding me? And oh my God, guys, Catboy and Owlette are locked up inside there, guys. I gotta get them out. I gotta get them out of those cages, guys. I cannot believe somebody has done this. I cannot believe somebody's locked up my 2 best friends. I'm gonna get them out, guys. And once I find out who did that, I'm gonna take them out, guys. I am going to take them out, but first I gotta find a way in. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and walk around the building and see if there's a way in. I cannot believe this. That is absolute evil. That's all I can say, guys. That is evil. I cannot believe that. You know what? I'm going to have to go ahead. I'm going to have to break in using TNT. I cannot believe somebody has done this. Wow, I'm just wondering who did it. It has to be one of their villains, guys. It has to be one of their villains. Let's go ahead and let's get these guys out. And you know what? I'm going to have to use one of these diamond pickaxe. I just really can't believe this. Which one of you guys went out first? Do you guys want to play rock, paper, scissors? You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and get Catboy out. I'm going to get Catboy out. And then I'm going to get Owlette out. I cannot believe somebody has locked up my two best friends. I mean, these two are supposed to be out saving people, protecting people, and yet they're locked up inside cages? Are you kidding me? This makes me so angry. Do you want to tell me who did this to you? I think he's too afraid to talk. He's too afraid to talk. How about you? Do you want to tell me who did this to you? I think she's too afraid to talk. I think they're both too afraid to talk, guys. You know what? This isn't the time for talking anyways. This is the time for action. And I'm going to take action as soon as I see the dirtbag that did this to you two. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put this pickaxe back because I don't believe in taking other people's stuff. So you know what? I'm just going to go ahead, come over here, eat some of this cake because I'm really angry. Well, I can't eat the cake because I'm not hungry, apparently. And I'm going to find the dirtbag that did this, guys. I am going to find the dirtbag that did this to you two, and I'm going to take him downtown. Is that all right? Yeah, they want me to take this dirtbag down. So let's go ahead and let's find this dirtbag. I don't know where he could possibly be. And oh my God, guys, I think I know who did it. Oh my God, where did he go? Oh my God, I think Gitgo has turned evil, guys. I think he has turned evil. Where did he go? Oh my God, guys, he is evil. Oh my God, I'm running. I don't know if I can take him out, guys. After all, he is a superhero. Did he put him back into the cage? I cannot believe this. This guy is going around thinking he can just put people inside cages. You cannot put people inside cages. Are you kidding me? You don't do that to my friends. Even though he did used to be my friend, I don't think we're friends any longer because he's beating me up. And oh my God, I gotta run. Oh my God, guys. I hope he don't follow me. And oh my God, I'm falling back down. Oh my God, that was a stupid move. What was I thinking? Where did he go? Oh my God, he's right on top of me. Oh my God, he was right on top of me. I'm like, what the heck? Where did he go? And then he was right on top of me. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, guys. I gotta get down there. I don't want to go down there. I don't want to face him, but I gotta do it for my friends. Because if I don't do it, guys, he's just gonna lock them back up. So hopefully I can take him out, guys. Hopefully he don't get the better of me and put me inside the cage, because that would be really sad. Then I would need one of you guys to come and save me. So hopefully that don't happen, but let's go ahead and let's just face him. If I go out, I go out, guys. I'm going to take this guy out, though. I am going to take this dirtbag out if it's up to me. And oh my God, he is really, really strong. Come on, guys, help me. Come on. I think they're just too afraid. I think they are just really, really afraid of this guy. Nobody should be that afraid of somebody. Nobody at all. Oh my God, I can't even get him. He is crazy strong and crazy fast. And oh my God, I took him out, guys. Thank God, guys, I took him out. I cannot believe that. And he also gave me diamonds. He must have had some diamonds on him. Are you kidding me? You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give her these diamonds. No, I want you to have these diamonds. I think she wants me to have the diamonds, but I really want her to have the diamonds because she really is the only diamond in my life. Was that too emotional? I think that was too emotional. You know what? I'm just happy that I protected both of them, and they will never be locked up inside a cage again. And if somebody does try to lock them up inside a cage again, I'll be back. And I'll be stronger and meaner than ever. Ain't that right, Pig? And he'll be back as well, because he's my sidekick. And that means that if I start getting beat up, then he's going to sidekick you. That's what'll happen. That's what happened. But I think, you know what? I deserve a cake. And I also deserve some cookies. After going through all that, guys, I cannot believe that. I was not expecting to go through all of this, but I'm happy that it happened because I saved both of my friends, which I really, really do love, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.